felt as though I was different just because of my physique.
She says she hit her heaviest weight, nearly 300 pounds.
Elizabeth cut out carbs, sugar, and dairy.
Through diet and exercise, she lost 151 pounds.
This is Liz Ronick before.
And Elizabeth, come on out. What are you doing now?
Well, I am a body empowerment coach. So I've gotten my certification in personal training and nutritional therapy, and so now I get to help others.
I've actually started Miss Fit Boss, which is my company that helps to promote other people in their journey.
And you feel great.
I feel amazing.
You look amazing.
Thank you.